subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Poco has launched its new affordable 5G phone under M series in India called Poco M4 with quite new design. Talking about the specifications, the Poco M4 5G features a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 90Hz adaptive refresh rate, and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 on the top. The phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of RAM that can be extended up to 2GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128GB of onboard storage, which is also expandable up to 512GB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Poco M4 5G supports a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.45 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 with MIUI 13 skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it is IP52 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164 by 76.1 by 8.9mm, and it weighs around 200 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Poco M4 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 12,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 14,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from May 5th in cool blue, power black, and yellow color options. So what do you guys think of this Poco M4 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.